Alright, check this out. I got a couple of car solar panel battery trickle chargers hooked up to both of my vehicles. I just got done taking this to the 50-cent car wash here in town and doing a hand wash. And they've got this really, after you get done washing and scrubbing and then rinsing, they've got this switch. You switch it over to hot wax and it's unbelievable. You leave that stuff on there, you drive home, get your microfiber cloth and wipe it all down clean. It's freaking great. Alright, so let's take a look at this setup. This is getting about 9 watts coming in. Hard to see that, but you get the idea. I can get about an amp in. And this is connected to my 20 watt panel right out there. And I bought a smaller one. I don't know if this is a 10 or a 15 watt, but here's the problem I had with this small one. See, it's a little bit smaller. I had to make a cable this morning so it would work with my truck system. Had to splice and dice it. See how it's, I don't know what you call that, gender bender, I guess. But I just put some ferrules in there and connected it. It's working great. It's blinking. Red light blinking is good. They're both blinking. They're both charging. So it's just a little trickle charger while the truck is sitting outside, not running it, and or the car sitting in here. Keep your battery topped off. You know, summer is just as hard on batteries as winter. You'd think it'd be the opposite. Cold does kill batteries, but you know, I see more people with problems with their batteries in the summertime, you know, because you're running all kinds of stuff on here. So, and last thing you probably saw in my community pictures, I got a Van True dash cam set up right here and got it all wired in to the car here, and it went pretty good. It's just right up here. It's a manual on and off. I have to figure out, I would like it to, when I start the car, everything comes on, including the radar detector and this new dash cam. And I still have to hook up the rear camera for this. That shouldn't be too hard. Just run a wire along the seam here. So there you have it. Give you a little update. One clean machine. This Mazda CX-50 Turbo Premium Plus. It is one hell of a grocery getter, casino goer, Slurpee getter, bum around town, and it's just as comfortable doing that as it is blasting down the highway at breakneck speeds. So there you have it. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.